Hi, you can't connect to the internet and get a warning like this. This error may be caused by your computer's MAC address blocking. You follow these steps to change your default MAC. Advanced network settings. More network adapter options. Right-click your wired or wireless network connection and click Properties. Next, click Configure and then select the Advanced tab. Here you choose network address in the list on the left. You create a new MAC address for your computer. Next, save your changes and check your internet connection. If your computer connects to the internet successfully, your problem is solved. Good luck, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.